Neither Walmart Spark nor Uber Eats consistently pays more. Your earnings depend on your market, the time you drive, the types of orders you accept, and your operating costs. The better platform is usually the one that gives you the highest earnings after fuel, vehicle expenses, and downtime are factored in. By the end, you'll know how these two delivery platforms compare, and which one is likely to fit your driving style. Let's start with how each platform works. Walmart Spark focuses on Walmart orders, including grocery deliveries, general merchandise, and customer pickups. Uber Eats mainly connects drivers with restaurant deliveries, although it also offers grocery and retail orders in many areas. That difference affects how often you'll receive requests, and how long each trip may take. Now compare the earning opportunities. Spark orders can involve larger grocery deliveries and multiple stops, while Uber Eats often offers shorter restaurant deliveries throughout the day. A large Spark order may take longer to complete, but a series of nearby Uber Eats deliveries can sometimes produce similar or better hourly earnings if demand stays high. Another difference is schedule flexibility. Both platforms allow you to work when opportunities are available, but the busiest times are different. Uber Eats generally sees strong demand during meal periods, while Spark activity depends on Walmart pickup and delivery demand in your local area. Drivers who use both apps often switch between them, depending on which one has better offers at the moment. Expenses also matter. Longer delivery routes increase fuel usage and vehicle wear. Before accepting an order, consider the total driving distance, expected traffic, and whether you'll need to return to a busy area before receiving another request. Higher-paying offers aren't always the most profitable once expenses are included. Customer tips can also affect your final earnings. Some orders include tips that increase your payout, while others may not. Since tipping varies from customer to customer, it isn't a reliable way to compare the two platforms. It's better to evaluate the total offer shown before accepting a delivery whenever possible. If you're trying to choose between them, spend time using each platform in your area. Keep track of how many deliveries you complete, how much time you spend driving, and what your actual earnings look like after fuel and other costs. Your local market will usually provide a clearer answer than anyone else's experience. To recap, neither platform guarantees higher pay. Spark specializes in Walmart deliveries. Uber Eats offers more varied delivery opportunities, and your local demand ultimately determines which one earns more. If this comparison helped you decide between Walmart Spark and Uber Eats, like the video and subscribe for more delivery app comparisons and driver tips.